everyone, welcome back to the podcast. We're really glad you're here today because this episode is going to help you speak English faster and more naturally in your daily life, especially if you sometimes feel slow or unsure when responding in conversations.
Hey everyone, yes, today we're focusing on something very practical and powerful, using daily English sentences that you can apply immediately without thinking too much about grammar or structure.
Exactly. A lot of learners spend too much time studying rules, but they don't practice enough real sentences that they can actually use when speaking to someone in real life.
That's why today's topic is daily English practice, 100 sentences for instant speaking, and our goal is to help you respond naturally and automatically in everyday situations.
Let's imagine a normal day and go step by step, starting from the morning so you can see how these sentences fit into real life.
Right, so when you wake up, instead of staying silent, you can say something simple like, I just woke up and I'm still feeling a bit sleepy, so I need a few minutes to fully wake up.
Or you can greet someone by saying, Good morning! Did you sleep well last night, or are you still feeling tired today? Which sounds very natural and friendly.
And if you didn't sleep well, you can say, I didn't sleep very well last night, so I'm a little tired today, but I'll try to stay active.
Then, as you get ready, you might say, I'm getting ready for work right now, so I don't have much time, but we can talk later.
Or, I'm about to leave the house, so I need to hurry a bit if I don't want to be late.
And before leaving, you can remind someone by saying, don't forget to take your keys and your phone before you go.
Now, when you're on your way, you might say, I'm on my way now, but traffic is pretty heavy, so I might arrive a little late.
Or, I just arrived and I'm going to start my day by checking my emails and planning my tasks. When you're at work or school, you'll often need to communicate clearly, so you can say, can you explain this one more time? I want to make sure I understand everything correctly. Or, I think this idea is good, but maybe we should consider a few more options before making a final decision.
And if you want teamwork, you can say, let's work on this together so we can finish it more efficiently.
Sometimes you'll need help, and instead of staying quiet, you can say, hey, could you help me with this for a moment? I'm not completely sure how to do it.
And after receiving help, it's important to respond properly, like, thanks a lot, that really helped me understand things much better.
Later in the day, when things are more relaxed, you can make plans by saying, are you free later today? Maybe we can meet and talk for a while. Or, let's grab something to eat after work and just relax for a bit. When you feel hungry, you can say, I'm really hungry right now, so let's find something good to eat.
And when deciding, what do you feel like eating today? I'm open to any suggestions.
At a restaurant, you can say, can I see the menu, please? I'm not sure what I want yet.
And when ordering, I'll have this dish, please. It looks really delicious.
Throughout the day, you'll also express feelings like, I'm feeling a bit stressed today because I have a lot of things to do.
Or on a good day, I'm feeling really happy today because everything is going smoothly.
When you're tired, you can say, I think I need some rest because I'm starting to feel really low on energy.
And finally, in the evening, you might say, I just got home and I'm really tired after a long day, so I just want to relax.
Or, today was quite busy, but I'm happy that I managed to finish most of my work.
Then you can say, I think I'll watch something for a while and then go to bed early.
And before ending the day, I'm going to bed now because I need to wake up early tomorrow.
Or simply, good night, take care, and I hope you sleep well.
You can see that these sentences are simple, but they are extremely useful in real life.
Yes, and if you practice them every day, your brain will start to respond automatically without translating.
That's when you begin to feel more natural and comfortable speaking English.
So here's your challenge. Try to use at least 20 of these sentences today in your real life, or even practice them out loud by yourself. Don't be afraid to make mistakes because that's how you improve step by step. And remember, simple English used confidently is much more powerful than complicated English that you're afraid to use. That's it for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed practicing with us and found this lesson helpful. Keep practicing every day, stay consistent, and your speaking will improve faster than you think.
See you in the next episode.
Bye everyone, take care.